Hello friends, welcome to my channel Smart Homemaker. Today I am going to share you the most effective and easy ginger tea recipe for cold and cough. I make this ginger tea for myself and my kids in case of severe cold and cough. This is the best natural cold remedy tea and it's very easy to make also. So let's start. Take a piece of raw ginger, peel its skin and chop it into small pieces. Take 2 glasses of water in a vessel, add this chopped ginger and 6 to 7 peppercorns into it. Allow this mixture to boil for around 5 to 10 minutes in the low flame. Add around a quarter teaspoon of turmeric into the boiling tea. After 5 minutes, you can add 30 ml of milk. If you don't want to add the milk, you can squeeze half lemon into the tea and leave it for 2 minutes. Switch off the flame and sieve it. Once it becomes warm, add 1 teaspoon of honey into it. Now the cold relief tea is ready. You can also add little bit of powdered jaggery into this tea if you want to make it little bit sweet. Try this at home and let me know how it came. If you are still not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to get more useful videos like this. You can take this cold relief tea for at least 2 to 3 times a day and continue it for next 3 days to get the better results. Okay, please do comment on which one you want me to make my next video, either on healthy breakfast recipes or easy tips to manage toddlers to eat their food by themselves. Subscribe and thanks for watching.